Good morning, class. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today, we are going to do page number 53 of your book. It's about famous people of Indian origin. For many years now, Indian origin across the globe have been making their presence felt by excelling in a broad range of career spectrums. From UK, USA to Africa and Argentina, there is no dearth of success stories of global Indians. Today, kids, we are going to talk about all those popular people, famous people who are born in India but they have been settled in various countries and they are being recognized worldwide. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. Students, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify the names of some famous people of Indian origin according to the description given. You will be able to know many facts about these people. You will be able to choose and write the correct name based on the information given. The first one is Kalpan Suresh Modi. Kalpan Suresh Modi is a Hollywood film and TV actor who achieved greater political heights under the administration of the President Obama. Kalpan Suresh Modi was born in 1977, known professionally as Kal Pan. His mother and father belongs to Gujarati family. The second one, Venkataraman Ramakrishnan, was born in 1952, is an Indian born British American structural biologist who shared the 2009 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with Thomas and Ada Yona for studies of the structure and function of ribosomes. The third one is Nikki Haley. Nikki Haley was the first female governor of South Carolina, the youngest governor in the country, and the second governor of Indian descent. She was the first Asian American female governor and in 2017 became the first Indian American in a presidential cabinet. Ajay V. Bhatt, born 6 September 1957, is an Indian born American computer architect who defined and developed several widely used technologies, including USB, Universal Serial Bus, AGP, PCI Express, etc. The fifth one is Vinod Dham. Vinod Dham is called the Pentium engineer for his role in the development of Pentium microprocessor. He is also one of the co-inventors of Intel's first flash memory card technology. The sixth one is Siddharth Mukherjee. He is the winner of Pulitzer Prize for General Non-Fiction. The seventh one is Mohendra Chaudhary. He was born in 1942, is an Fijian and the leader of Fiji Labour Party. He is the former Prime Minister of Fiji. Eighth one is Ujjal Dev Dosanjh, is a Canadian lawyer and politician. He served as 33rd Premier of British Columbia from 2000 to 2001 and as a Liberal Party of Canada Member of Parliament. I told you kids, by the end of this video you'll be able to identify the names of some famous people of Indian origin. Now I have one question for you to answer. You have to identify this personality who is recently elected as the Vice President of USA. Thank you and have a cheerful day.